pH is inversely proportional to log H plus or H plus. Okay, so the pH value is less than 7 acid, pH value more than 7 it's base. तो pH का ये रिलेशनशिप है, pH अगर 7 से कम है तो वो एसिड है, pH अगर 7 से ज़्यादा है तो वो बेसिक कैरेक्टर शो करती है. अब अगर हम बात करते हैं कि डिफरेंट एसिड्स और डिफरेंट बेसिस को हमें इस बेसिस पे डिफरेंशिएट करना है, तो वी कैन गो फॉर pH स्केल. द pH स्केल is having the calibration as well as the color coding, and according to the color coding we can differentiate different types of acids and bases. Okay, I think this topic is clear. Now coming to the topic where exactly this pH is required in daily routine life. Okay, the importance of pH is it's an application based question. Okay, so where this pH is required, the pH is required in all the main fields. In household or in daily routine life, the pH is required. Like for example, the role of pH in digestion. The role of pH in digestion. For example, this is our stomach. It's a bag-shaped organ having glands. Okay, so we are having gastric glands over here, and all these gastric glands secrete what? Different types of digestive juices. Now, the very first, HCl. Okay, the HCl secreted by oxyntic glands or oxyntic cells. These cells or these HCl will make the medium highly acidic, pH 1.2 to 1.8. Okay, so this HCl will make the medium highly acidic, and this acidic medium will make the activation of different types of proteinaceous enzymes like pepsinogen. Pepsinogen will be converted to pepsin in the presence of HCl. This is a inactive enzyme. It will be converted into active enzyme, a zymogen or inactive enzyme. Okay, so HCl also plays one more important role over here. As the pH is very low, the medium is highly acidic. It also acts as an antimicrobial agent over here. The fumes of HCl, they basically kills the pathogens over here, and because of this hyper secretion of HCl, we are having the hyperacidity reflex and all. Okay, so this is the role of pH in digestion, that how it helps to digest the food. It helps to convert the inactive enzyme into active, and it also clean the pathway, or it also act as a antimicrobial substance. Okay, and it also helps to break the bonds in different molecules, biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins and all. Okay, now coming to the role of pH in dental caries. Okay, see friends, okay, ठीक है. See, the outermost layer is what? This is enamel. Okay, as we all know, enamel. Okay, now ENAMEL, enamel. Then the next layer is dentine, and the innermost layer is what? The pulp. Okay, so this enamel is basically made up of salts of calcium hydroxyapatite, calcium phosphate, but these salts can be dissolved if the saliva around, running around all these tooth or teeth, it becomes acidic, highly acidic. For example, the pH of saliva is 6.8, slightly acidic. Okay, because of the presence of chloride ions, HCl. Okay, the pH of saliva is slightly acidic. Okay, now this pH, if it falls below the level of 5.5, that is the critical pH. And how the pH falls? Suppose if the person is having more amount of sweets, or if he or she is taking in between meals, so what happens? The food, the tooth surface is not straight, it is not smooth, it is having ridges, it is having grooves, it is having pits. So the food material, it got stuck on these pits, it got stuck on the rough tooth surface, and it will invite different types of bacteria to come and exploit this food material. Okay, so this food material will invite bacteria will decompose, anaerobic decomposition, anaerobic oxidation will take place, and by the virtue of which lactic acid will be produced, and this lactic acid will dissolve the salts of calcium, phosphorus, different salts present in enamel, which causes weakening of enamel rods. Okay, which causes weakening of enamel, and this weakening of enamel causes pit formation. This is cavitation or dental caries. Okay, so as the pH falls below the level of 5.5, which is the critical pH, the dental caries starts. Okay, the normal pH is 6.8. How the level of pH comes down? Because of the presence of lactic acid. Now, I think this is clear. Now we are having more uses of pH, like pH in the presence of bee sting. The bee sting, it contains formic acid. As the formic acid comes in contact with the body, it comes in contact with the blood, the body releases anti-allergic substance, that histamine causes anti-allergic or anti-inflammatory reaction with that particular formic acid. Okay, and we are having redness, swelling, itching, pain, and all the signs of inflammation. Okay, so these all are the applications of pH. Okay, coming to the next topic, that is the role of different commercial salts. So in that we have to study the importance of NaCl, the importance of washing soda, the importance of baking soda, the importance of bleaching powder, the importance of gypsum or calcium sulfate. Okay, and that part will be concluded in my next video of the same chapter, acid, bases and salts, part 2. Okay friends, so thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe it and please share it. Thank you guys.